Rigetti's management team informed investors about a critical government contract and the three-phase structure of that contract and what are the opportunities for Rigetti if they achieve each level of success in this category. So I wanted to share those details with you in this video. Also, Rigetti's management team talked about how long they expect that it will take until they have a commercially viable product, meaning a product that's for business and enterprise and not just for academic and research purposes. So I think those are critically important categories for Rigetti investors. The government contracts will bridge the gap between now and when the company is generating sufficient revenue to be sustainable on its own without going to investors and asking for more capital, and provides the opportunity for Rigetti stock investors. Of course, this is one of those high risk, high return type of investments that could potentially, 50x your return on investment, but it also comes with tremendous risk, more so than almost any company that I'm following right now. In fact, that's true with all quantum computing stocks. They are high risk, high reward type situations, and I follow all of them: IonQ, D-Wave, Rigetti, etc. They're all those high risk, high reward type situations. Let's start with that government contract I was talking about, and this relates to the company's three phases of this government contract. In the initial phase, which they're calling Phase A, the company was awarded $1 million, which is not much for Rigetti. I mean, their operating expenses are over $20 million every quarter. So $1 million doesn't even make a dent in their quarterly operating expense. But the company said this, right? Phase A is relatively small. Phase B, the number will increase significantly. And Phase C, the number will increase quite a bit. And the management team has talked about this, and I've done videos on this previously. Phase A included about 100 companies that were vying for this contract. So the government awarded about 100 companies about a $1 million reward, okay, in Phase A. In Phase B, the number of companies that will be awarded a contract will be significantly smaller, around 15 companies. So the government's going to reduce the contracted number of companies from 100 to 15. And then Phase C will be much smaller than that. Maybe one or two companies will reach Phase C. So yes, the first phase. Click the link below to watch the full video.